Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with chapter number 5, that is primary activities. In this, we have already discussed 2 3 activities like hunting and gathering. We are discussing agriculture in detail. 3 4 different agriculture like plantation, subsistence agriculture, we have already discussed. Today, we will deal with 3 more topics: mixed farming, dairy farming, and Mediterranean agriculture. So what is mixed farming, dairy farming and Mediterranean agriculture? I think you have a little bit knowledge about, already you have the knowledge regarding these topics. You have done this in class 10th or earlier also. So mixed farming basically is a system, you can say, of farming in which the involvement of growing of crops as well as the raising of livestock is done. Means if you are doing the crop agriculture, okay, you are doing the agriculture of growing crops, plus at the same time you are managing and raising the livestock, that system is called as the mixed farming, in which both the cropping of the, you can say, field as well as the raising the livestock by producing milk or by meat, so that all comes under the mixed farming. Now, in this mixed farming, wheat, barley, oat, maize, and fodder are the major crops which are grown, and livestock here are, you can say, the cattle, sheep, pigs, and poultry. Overall, a very high capital is the need for to run this mixed farming. So high capital expenditures required for this farming. Let's see with the help of the map areas of mixed farming. So you will see first the mixed farming, the area. This kind of agriculture generally found in the highly developed parts of the world. So where we have the highly developed parts of the world, so first is northwestern Europe. This area is dominated by the mixed farming and the northwestern Europe. Second is East and North America. Eastern North America also do a lot of mixed farming. Then the part of Eurasia, which we have already discussed, and the temperate latitudes of southern continents. So you will find in Argentina some part, in Paraguay, in South Africa. So these are the areas where the mixed farming is done on a big scale, and it is a very capital expensive, you can say, expenditure, high capital expenditure required, and on farm machineries and building, extensive use of chemical fertilizers and green manure is done, and also by the skill and the expertise of the farmers. So this was about the mixed farming. Next topic is dairy farming. As the first picture is showing you, what is dairy farming? So this is a type of agriculture that is focused on producing milk. So here the only motive is to produce milk. There is no need of like meat and other thing. It is just dairy farming means just producing the milk and the products related to milk. Okay, like ghee, butter, all those cream, all those products comes under the dairy farming. So it's in a type of agriculture that focuses on producing milk. This is also a very high capital expenditure required in this kind of agriculture, in this kind of farms. You will see that this is the full system. The big farms, ranches are built under which cows are maintained, and there this is also, you can say, at the same time is very highly labor intensive to manage this numbers of cows. Suppose here you will see almost 20 cows. To so to manage 20 cows you need labors, so it is high capital expenditures required. At the same time it is highly labor intensive, okay, because of the rigorous care in feeding, to feed these animals, and the milching, both the conditions. Overall, dairy farming is about cattle breeding, taking the health care and the veterinary services of the cattle. Now, one of the most important requirement for a dairy farming is that it's practiced mainly near to the urban and the industrial centers. Why it is practiced near to the urban and the industrial centers? Because of providing to the neighborhood market the fresh milk and the dairy products. Because they know that the fresh milk demand is in urban centers. They need, so what these farmers do, that they milk the animals in the uh, evening or in just the morning, and they transport that fresh milk to the nearby urban centers. Okay, so this kind of agriculture is called as the dairy farming. Now let's see with the help of a map the area of dairy farming. So where you can see the area which is dominated by the dairy farming. So the largest is the northwestern Europe. Northwestern Europe. So this is the full Great Britain, United Kingdoms, and the areas of the northwestern Europe where you will find the dairy farming as one of the main occupation of the farmers. Second is Canada. So this area, Canada, as well as the northern part of, you can just say the Canada, the southern part of Canada. And the third is the southeastern Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania. So this is Australia. This point here, this point is Tasmania, the island near to the Australia and the New Zealand. So these areas, three areas, are famous for dairy farming. I hope it is clear to you about the dairy farming. So how the question can come? They just can ask you about write in 30 words about the dairy farming. Or in map, you have to remember the map. There could be a question that mention any one area which is dominated by dairy farming. So maps are important in this chapter. Next point here is Mediterranean agriculture. Mediterranean agriculture, we know that there is a sea called as the Mediterranean Sea, and this the agriculture near by areas of Mediterranean Sea or the coastal areas of Mediterranean Sea are comes under the Mediterranean agriculture. So it is a very highly specialized commercial agriculture, and it is practiced by the countries on either sides of the Mediterranean. So we will see with the help of example uh, where you all find this kind of agriculture. Now, this kind of agriculture is famous for viticulture. What is viticulture? That is the grape cultivations. So, growing grapes in large scale is called as the viticulture. Mediterranean agriculture is basically the area which is famous for citrus fruits. When we are talking about citrus fruits, जितने भी खट्टे fruits हैं, उनके लिए Mediterranean is the agriculture. So you will find thousands of acres in Mediterranean region dedicated to grape fields, orange fields. Okay, and fruits and vegetables are generally of a very high quality and they are grown in the winters where there is a great demand in European and the North American countries. So Mediterranean agriculture is a very specialized agriculture and area famous for citrus fruits like grapes and oranges. Fruits and vegetables are grown in winters. Now, this area is also because of the viticulture and the grape cultivation is also famous for the best quality wines and champagnes because wines and champagnes are made from grapes. So this area in the world is famous for the best quality wines of the world with distinctive flavors and they are also very expensive in making as well as in buying. So this was about the Mediterranean agriculture. Now where does it generally you will find the this kind of agriculture? So there is no map as such mentioned in your book, but let's see with the help of this map only. So I will try to highlight the area. So this is the Mediterranean Sea. So this is the Mediterranean Sea. So the area near to the Mediterranean Sea, this full area is famous for Mediterranean agriculture. Tunisia. So Tunisia is the North African country. So you will find Tunisia, Morocco here. Okay, some part of Egypt. So all this area are famous for Mediterranean agriculture. But it doesn't mean that only the Mediterranean Sea is the region where you will find this kind of climate. This kind of climate you will also easily find near to the Southern California. So here you will find the Southern California area. Here you will find the Mediterranean type of agriculture. Then you can find the central Chile. So here is the Chile. Central Chile is the area where you will see the Mediterranean kinds of agriculture. Then the western parts of South Africa. So western parts of South Africa also have the Mediterranean agriculture. Southwestern part of Australia. So this is the southwest part is also famous for Mediterranean agriculture. So Mediterranean सी के आसपास का इलाका ही सिर्फ फेमस नहीं है उसके अलावा भी बहुत ज़्यादा एरिया है लाइक कैलिफोर्निया चिली साउथ अफ्रीका ऑस्ट्रेलिया बट the major agriculture is done in Mediterranean Sea and that is famous for citrus fruits and for making of the best quality wines and champagnes in the world. So this was about the Mediterranean agriculture. Tomorrow we will start with the next topic that is mixed gardening and the horticulture. Thank you so much.